So this is 2018 GMC Yukon XL, removal of bumper, rear bumper. I remove all the screws here. This connector is still here. There is a little bit of a slack there, so it's easier to disconnect it here rather than from underside of the vehicle. The 4 screws were removed, and the screws underneath those ones, 4 of them, were removed, number 10, okay? And the bumper has the clips here on the side, okay? So you just gotta pull it gently. Once you unscrew all the screws, pull it gently, and that's it. Now, here is your sensor. This is the sensor that will detect the car approaching either the left or right hand side of the vehicle at the back. I had to replace those sensors a few months ago. Each sensor is around $350. The problem is that you could see that all water is hitting against the sensor. If you could sort of create some kind of shield here, okay, so the water is not going to be directly hitting it, I think you will preserve this thing. Okay, you may also maybe apply some grease on top of this. I know that there is like an electric grease applied inside. I just checked it. Okay, so anyways, if you ever lose all the lights inside, nothing will start working, and the car can also have a hard time starting. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. This is what causes this. This is what causes the problem inside the car. Wipers don't work, nothing, none of the gauges work, okay? Because of the connection that is being compromised by water. There is one sensor on the left hand side and one sensor on the right hand side, which is this one. But what we're gonna be replacing today is this sensor right here. This is a remote keyless antenna or receiver for the keyless key remote control, the one that you want to open the car with. So your key communicates with this sensor here, which is called antenna. Okay, again, this is 2018 GMC Yukon. Now this sensor supposed to be somewhere over here at the back of the vehicle. Once I locate it, I will shoot another video to show you guys where it is. Okay, I got this information from a dealer, so I want to find out if it's true, or maybe, who knows, maybe it's somewhere in there. Okay, so but first I'm gonna check over here. Okay, see you later.